Last week, Arizona reached the triple digits for the first time this year, with Yuma becoming one of the hottest places in the country. And that's a challenge for people here who work in the fields.
Where these farm workers in Yuma are hiding behind tires to get shade during their breaks because they're not allowed any tents.
Jazmin Moreno is with the organization Agave Community Threads. She and other volunteers organized an emergency phone bank last Thursday, making more than 100 calls to Arizona leaders, including the governor and people on the state industrial commission.
So we have been in a very, very long battle with our state legislator here and the Industrial Commission of Arizona and the governor's office here to demand an enforceable heat protection standard that is going to protect all outdoor workers and indoor workers subject to extreme heat.
Moreno also held listening sessions here in Yuma, where farm workers have talked about the tough working conditions, including the lack of water breaks in the fields.
There's stories of individuals who have to walk 30 minutes to be granted a cone of water and are only being granted 2 cones of water a day.
This is not the first time advocates for workers have tried to push for workplace heat standards. Earlier this month, members of the Arizona Division of Occupational Safety and Health Advisory Committee failed to enact a heat plan.
And they're also saying that because Arizona is so unique, the policy will have to include certain thresholds that after certain temperatures, increased protections will have to take place. And
according to the National Council of Occupational Safety and Health, farm workers are 35 times more likely to die from workplace heat exposure than other workers in the U.S. and suffer elevated rates of health-related illnesses, injury, and long-term damage to their health. One local advocacy group has already reported 1 death in the fields. Moreno says they're still waiting to hear back from state leaders. Reporting in Yuma, Karina Basarte for Arizona's Family.